Hey everyone, my name is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay. Today I would like to discuss you some like SQL practice or SQL challenge in a beginner level. We have the three levels. If you see, today I will talk about the beginner level, and the next video you can see the intermediate level and the advanced level. So today I will focus about the beginner level. And why I'm making this video, because lots of subscriber or the students or the professional, they are not into that SQL comfortable in the writing the queries. So rather than I ask directly to the interview questions, there are so many videos on and YouTube. You can find the interview questions and answer. So rather than ask, let's start from the scratch. Okay. So in this session, you get to know how can we write a query from the scratch. And once you get hands on this kind of the filter kind of thing, or uh, filter kind of thing, how can we filter out? How can we group by? So we can jump in the intermediate level and the advanced level. After that, completed the three levels, we can jump into the solve in the interview questions. Okay. So we have the employees table and department tables. Okay. So based on two tables, we'll try to solve these questions. Okay. These are the very easy question, but we should know how to write this question. So I'll show you. We have, and you can find this tables in my the description. You can copy from there and start practice on it. So let me say select from employees. So we have the very good data set, very good data count. So we have around 7,000 of data. Okay. So in 7,000 data, we have the column like employee number, and these are the unique value. So you can see the uh, primary like PK is there. Okay. Primary key is there in the employee number. Okay. So employee number is the ID, which is the unique birth date. What is the birth date of the employee? First name, last name, and gender, and what is the hire date of the particular employee. Okay, let me quickly show you the department as well. As in department, we have the 9 rows, and what are the employees belongs to the department. We have the different verticals like marketing, finance, human resource, production, development, quality management, sales, and research and customer service. These are the departments who belongs to the employees. Okay, so based on that, we try to solve this basic level of question, the beginner level of question. We'll jump to the intermediate level and the advanced level. Okay, so first question is write a query to display all column from the employees table. Okay, so whenever you see the all the columns from the particular tables, there might be a scenario, could be the different, your salary table could be the different. When you got this kind of question, like let's focus on the all column. So all column means we wanted to retrieve all the columns. So retrieve this, I'm saying select everything from employees. Okay. So these are the all columns we have retrieved, around 7,000 data. Okay. The first question is completed. Let's move into the second. Find the total number of employee. Okay. So I'm saying find the total number of employee. So it's very easy. Select, I'm saying count. Basically, I wanted to retrieve the KPI or the number. Okay. So in the first query, you can see we retrieve all the columns, all the rows from the tables, and now he wanted to the all the employees kind of the KPI kind of the one number. Okay, what is the number? The number should be 7171782. Okay, from employees. Okay, see. This is the one number. This is the employee. We have the employee table. Okay. And the third question says list only female employees. Okay. So we want to the filter, and how do we do that? The filter, we like using the where clause. We can easily filter out the female. I'll show you the table first. So we have the gender name. Based on the gender, we want the female candidate. Okay, so I'm saying select everything from employees where gender equal to F. Yeah. So we got the 28797 records, though that belongs to the female candidate. Okay. Okay. And let's move on to the fourth question. Retrieve the names of all department. Okay. Select star from, and it should be the departments. Yeah. So these are the departments table, and if the question is specific about the department names, you can filter out the department names. Okay. Since this is a two columns, so that's why I took everything from the departments. Okay. But this question suffice your requirement. Okay. And let's move on to the five. The 5% says cat employee IDs whose belong to D005. What is the D005? This is the department ID. Okay. And we need to find the employees who belong to the department. Okay. So I'm saying select from uh, I'm just thinking it should be, we have the other three tables actually. Let me see this department, and I'm saying employee number. Where department number is, what was that, D005. D005, where is 5? Employee number doesn't exist. I think department number, department. I think we have the different tables for this. Uh, just give me a minute. Select, select star from department AMP. Yes, this is the table, I guess. Department EMP. Here you go. Okay, let's remove everything. Okay, so Okay, so based on that, select, or maybe I'll alter do that. Select. I want to find the employee number from department, where department number is T005. Okay, here you go. 59590 are the employees who belong to the department. Okay, D005. So sorry for that. We have the three tables. Like one is the employees, departments, and the departments employees. I'll provide those two tables in my description. You can copies from that and you start working on that. And the next video, I'll start working on the intermediate level, then advanced level, then we'll move to the SQL question answers, which MNCs ask right now. Okay, so just I wanted to just the first gets hands on these basic questions, then we'll follow the next session. Okay, so that's it from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this.